Welcome to Dean's Yard. Yes, we have another repair project to do. The Ruger Mk4 packed up on me yesterday, and basically this bit here snapped. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So what I'm going to try and do is glue it back on with some this stuff, JB Weld. This is the stuff that's holding on the red dot, and it's solid, so I wonder if it works. I mean, I could still take it back to the shop, can't be bothered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and fix it. Yeah, just snapped yesterday. I mean, what is that? Aluminium, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, so let's try that first. So what I'm going to do first is mix up the glue. There we go. Little blob of that. Not too much, because it's not going to take too much. Same amount of the white stuff that stinks. And we're going to mix it all together. I'll just use a screwdriver for now, but nothing else, until it becomes grey, dark grey. Yeah. Oh well, things happen. Yeah. All right. Someone's going to say, well, what do you expect for cheap Chinese stuff? Well, cheap or not, it's been a great little gun. It shoots very well. It's very accurate, and it'll be a shame. It's one of my favorites. So, right. So that should be the color of the glue thing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it on here. See if we can hold that together like that. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to glue the whole thing together, but enough. I think that should do it. A little bit there, not too much. Let's have a look here. That's it. So I've put a little bit on there. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is make sure there's no over spillage with this stuff. And then flick it in and then push it into place like that. So now what I'm going to do, if you can see that, yes you can, I'm going to use El Clampo, one of these things, not too tight, just to keep it in place. Let's see if this will work. Yep. So that hopefully will fix it. If not, I'm going to have to go back. But at the moment, that's aligned perfectly well. So I'm going to give it a couple of days, and then I'll update you on my progress on this thing. But yeah, it's a shame because it's quite a nice gun. I know it's cheap. Yes, we know that, but I like it a lot. And it'd be a shame to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do now is leave it for a couple of days, and I'll come back and I'll show you the results. Okay, it's been 2 days now, and I don't think it's worked actually. I've put this there so it doesn't glue both rods together, take that out of the way. Yeah, I don't think it's worked, but you never know. So this is after 2 days, as I said. So let's unclamp it. Okay, put that out of the way. So what do you reckon, guys? Should we try it? No, it hasn't worked. Look at that. Nope. Okay, looks like this side didn't take. Everything's on this side. I can get it out. Okay, so there you go. So that's the answer to my question. Can the Ruger Mark 4 be fixed? No, no. Going back to the shop. Hopefully they can just replace this part, which I think is the guide for the piston, because I've got, as you know, my other video, I've actually put on a dovetail on the Ruger, so I might have to lose that if they give me a replacement, because it's still under warranty. Anyway, so that's a thumbs down, guys. Sorry. If you like the video, give us a like. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.